Damn. Are you listening?
Hey YouTube, this is Charlie guys, and today we're on a little DIY project in the backyard. I'm walking over to my pool behind me. You can see it's a bit cloudy this morning. So this morning I'm gonna clean my filter. A couple weeks ago, if you watched the video, I changed my pump on there. I got a new pump from Amazon. Again, I believe all the link down in the description. I pump up the power on there from 1 horsepower to 1.5 horsepower. It does make a little bit of difference. The pool is getting better. It's all green, but now it's still cloudy. So I'm gonna remove the filter, wash it, clean it, make sure that there's no holes in the filter. If there's any holes in the filter, I'll have to replace some of the filter. I think there's like about 6 or 8 filters in there, individual section in the filter. So if there's any leaks in any one of them, I will replace them. So let's go ahead and figure this out. So here's our filter port right here. I already have my wrench on there to remove the bolt that hold the locking mechanism. So we're just going to go ahead and start taking it out. So I went ahead, I turned off my power on there. At the bottom here you can see there's a valve, there's a little valve area right here. The first thing we want to do is to open this up. So if there's any pressure in there, you can hear it. Release the pressure in there, just let it go. That's it. You have to open that valve, let off all the water in there. If not, it's going to be pretty heavy to remove the filter sack in there. There you go. Again, there's 2 of those, one on this side, one on the other side. You can do both or you can do one. Mine is 1/2 inch wrench on there, so we're gonna start removing that. And make sure you put this in a safe place not to lose them. Take out the belt. So when the pressure is relieved, you just push something sharp on here just to help it up. Take this out. So here's your filter. It's pretty dirty on here, so we're gonna take this out and go clean it up. And look to see if there's any holes in there to make sure that none of the individual filters is broken or has any holes in there. So there's handles right here, and there we go. So you can see, gonna make sure we clean out as much of the excess stuff that we can. And cleaning this, I did find one of these days ruptured right here. There's a hole right here in this one, so I'll have to change this one. So unfortunately, I'll have to open this up. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'll have to go to the pool store and get myself a replacement. Oh, I just got the replacement. This was $29, surprisingly. I don't know if you can see that, but you want to go in here and you just want to make sure that you put them back where they're supposed to go. So this one, you can see right in here, there's a little area right in here. You can see, just make sure it goes back in here. The outside, make sure that it's right behind the little bracket right here. And basically you're just gonna put your cover back on. Now the reason why this one is shorter is because when you're putting it back on, the plumbing area goes right where the short one will be. So we're just gonna put it back and then we're done. So we're gonna make sure we fit those in where they're supposed to go. So these will go right in here like that. Make sure they go in on all of them and put it back together, and that's it. So we have everything back in where it's supposed to go, and we're gonna thread this back in here, hold the bottom, turn it to the side, and hold the top and just screw that screw. Just gonna make sure that that 2-inch plumbing goes back inside here. Just like that. Make sure our seal is okay. Put this back on. Turn our locking mechanism. Screw it back and put back on our cap at the bottom. Screw back on our valve, but not too. So we have everything on and running. We look around, there's no leaks. So we look around and there's no leaks. If there was any leaks, we're just gonna kind of tighten this until the leaks stop. And we check on here, we make sure we kept that open to release the air. So we have no air in here, just water. So we're gonna put some of that filter aid in there. These come in bags, so I might put 1 or 2 bags in there. We're just gonna mix it with some water and pour it in there. Just dilute it a bit and pour it in there, and that should help the filter to do what it's supposed to do. Go ahead.
Damn. Are you listening?